Veterinary medicine is one of the foremost departments of Veterinary College Junagadh. It was established along with the college in the year 2008. The discipline holds due importance among the clinical subjects, thereby considered as hardcore of clinics. The main objectives of the department are UG, PG, and diploma teaching, to provide clinical services to the livestock owners, research, and extension. The department is having facilities of clinical laboratory with advanced instruments and museum cum classroom as per the requirement of Veterinary Council of India, where the students of Polytechnic, UG and PG are kept engaged with various practicals. Department is having modern equipments like advanced research microscope, blood gas and electrolyte analyzer, which are used for precise and quality practical demonstration to students as well as diagnostic aids for clinical cases. Till date, a total of 2 PhD and 7 MBSc students have successfully obtained their degrees from the department. Faculties of this department are engaged with the clinical activities at college clinics and thereby dealing with almost 70% of total number of cases brought at the hospital. Various species of animals like livestock, pet, wild animals are brought here for the treatment. Routine blood sampling, ferroscopy, and ultrasonography are performed as per the demand of cases. Along with the clinical management, livestock owners and pet parents are counseled about vaccination, deworming, feed practices, and other health management aspects for the healthcare of their animals. Extension activities are also carried out by faculties through expert lectures in Pashupalan Sibires and radio talks. The department has organized 2 refresher escort trainings for veterinary officers and has successfully completed 1 other agency project entitled as Technical Assistance for Wildlife Healthcare, Disease Diagnosis and Therapeutic Management. Department has organized entrepreneurship training program, pet spa and pet behavioral issues under the aegis of Institutional Development Plan ICR, with objective to provide entrepreneurship training to the students. Faculties of this department also provide clinical services at mobile ambulatory and clinical camps organized by college and NGOs.